What's popping? Yo, it's your boy ZAYN CAPITAL, the prolific forex trader, the primordial source of the financial market. Hectic. Get the intro down. We'll get the man, it's the primordial source of the financial market. I bet. What's popping? Yo, it's your boy ZAYN CAPITAL, the primordial source of the financial market, the prolific, profitable forex trader. Man, it's about to be a monster, but we'll get the intro right. We'll get the intro down. If you're new to this channel, of course you're new to this channel. It's a new channel. Please subscribe. Let's get this channel to 100 subs. We'll be doing weekly, literally posting weekly updates, weekly market updates, lessons, knowledge, wisdom, biofeedbacks every day. So we'll literally be talking everything money, investments, crypto, everything money will be literally shared on this channel. So yeah, man, let's get to it. Today we'll be analyzing the USDJPY and a couple of pairs, of course. So yeah, sir, let's get to it. I bet. So this is the USDJPY. So basically what I do basically, when I get the overview of everything, when I get the overview of the entire chart in general, so that I know what's going on in the channel, so that I know what's going on the chart, what is it telling me, what is it telling me, where is it going, what is it planning. So I want to know everything. I want to know everything about it, so I have to dissect it, break it down, do everything with it. So basically what we do is that we start on the weekly time frame, right? Start on the weekly time frame. It's beautiful. Y'all can gov what it's been doing from here looking to our left hand side, right? So basically the market has been let me do this. So basically the market has been trading down, doing your corrections, trading down, a correction, trading down, a correction, trading down, correction, trading down, but stop here, right? So basically from here until here it's been doing lower lows and lower highs, right? And then literally this was our last lower low, right? And then it started doing lower highs, right? So basically we can see our overall structure is that the USD JPY might be bullish, might get bullish for some time, right? So basically what we'll be looking at buying opportunities from now on until until the market tells us otherwise. So yeah, let's go down to a lower time frame. Let's go to the daily real quick. So this is the daily. Let's focus on the current price. So this is the daily. So it's been trading upwards, right? Creating high highs and high lows, right? So what the market did is it gave us an impulse, a sharp impulse, a nice corrective move, and an impulse, a nice corrective move, and now we might be going for another impulse, right? So basically the price that we are going to focus on is this price right here, right? So before we focus on that price, let's literally highlight our zones so we can get our lower zone, right? So we can see that the market also bounced off this area as well, right? And then it gave us our supply and demand right here, right? It gave us our supply and demand right here. So basically what we'll be looking at right now is higher highs. It's basically bullish movements, right? So we're gonna focus on this price right here. We're gonna focus on this price right here, right? We're gonna focus on this price right here. Let's see what are we looking for the week. Let's see what are we looking for this week, for this upcoming week. Let's see where are we trading this upcoming week, right? So I'm on the 2-hour chart real quick. I'm on the 2 hour chart real quick, so I'm gonna literally focus on the current price. We wanna study the current price. We wanna know where are we going, right? So the market came up, gave us a corrective pattern real quick, gave us a corrective pattern, a nice flag right there, a nice flag right there, and the market continued up, right? Created another one here, created another one here, and the market moved right up, right? So it gave us an impulse, a correction, an impulse, a correction, an impulse. Was looking for a correction, but it ended up giving us a bigger correction, right? It ended up giving us a bigger correction. So this is literally current price. This is literally current price. This is what USDJPY or how USDJPY will be trading, might be trading this week, right? So it gave us a nice triangle shape, right? So so it gave us our nice triangle formation right here, right? So basically what I'll be looking at is that's a pattern right there, right? That's a pattern right there. Your first touch, your second touch, third touch broke out, retested, the momentum started creating higher highs. So basically we are looking bullish. So we are looking very, very bullish, right? So for entries, you'd want to look at the M50 for bullish. For entries, you'd want to look at the M50, right? For bullish, you would want to look at the M50, right? So you can tell that, you can see that the market is already creating high highs, right? And here's another one here, right? So basically the market is already giving us an opportunity right here. Ooh, it's a nice trade. Get already retested. So basically we'll be entering from here. We'll be entering from here. You'll be entering from here, right? You can put your stop loss here. Nice, beautiful pivot to risk. And where will our take profit be? Let's look at the where will our take profit be? Our first TP might be here, right? Might be here. It's a nice large pips to trade. So that's basically what we'll be looking at. So your first TP will be on this number right here, right? The 138866. This will be your first TP. And then if it breaks above, you don't want to look for corrective movements. If it breaks above, you want to look for corrective movements and then allow it and wait for possible entries so that we can move even more higher, so yes sir, that's the USDJPY broken down. Let's look at other markets. Let's look at the okay, we are trading this. We'll come back to the US30 real quick. Let's look at the Gbpusd. It's looking hella fine. It's looking hella fine. I'm not gonna waste time literally doing market review, so all those weekly things and stuff like that, we'll do them. We'll literally have a session on that. So basically what are we looking at? We're looking at the market giving us a bearish wedge, right? So might be looking at bullish movements really soon, right? We might be looking at bearish movements really soon, right? Basically what I was expecting for price to literally come until this area right here, right? So when I was trading, so I took So we basically took a sell from here, right? Came down, hit our stop loss, but we were already in profit, right? Looked for another entry here, it came down. So basically I was looking for price to enter here, so it hit my TP here, right? Hit our TP here. So this was my take profit. Hit my TP here, and I'm gonna explain why, right? Because I saw a head and shoulders pattern for me, right? So I thought the market's gonna start continuing higher and give us like a bearish and a bullish signal, right? So basically what's happening right now is it broke out, it broke below and then came and retested, right? It broke below, came and retested. This is a beautiful pattern. You don't, sorry about that, you don't really need to look for it very far. It's a very beautiful and obvious pattern, right? It's a nice bearish flag, came down, broke below, broke below our support, retested on the resistance, broke below, and maybe we might be looking for a lot of movement until this area right here, until this area right here, right? So that's basically the GBP USD. So what are we looking at? We're looking at a very heavy bearish movement of the GBP USD, right? Let us look at the AUDJPY real quick. Let us look at the AUDJPY real quick. We'll come back to the Euro USD. The AUDJPY real quick. We'll come back to everything. There's a fundamentals. We'll come back to it. So yes, AUDJPY. It's looking hella scrumptious. It's looking hella scrumptious. So it's basically the AUD JPY has been giving us buy signals, right? It has literally been giving us bullish momentums, right? So what are we looking at right now? What are we looking for right now, or what I will be looking for right now? You can see that the market pulled up, right? Corrected, pulled up, and gave us a bigger correction. So what are we looking for? We're expecting the market to, of course, push up. That's what we're hoping. That's what we're waiting for the market to tell us. We're waiting for the market to tell us, and we're hoping, anticipating for the market to push up, right? But we're literally waiting. We're literally waiting and want to see what the market is telling us. What does it want to tell us? You know. So in the meantime, what we have to do is play with our trend lines and see how the market respects our trend lines, right? So yes, we can see like a nice movement to the upside, a nice correction, nice beautiful correction, right? Broke above, but broke above, closed out, and broke below. So now this is where people are get caught up, right? This is where people get caught up on the wrong side, right? False breakouts and all of that. So you do want to wait. That's why it is very important to wait for market to close and give you a very nice confirmation candle that we're going up to the upside, right? So what do we do right now? Let's put it to where it belongs. Let's adjust it real quick, right? And then we got our support trend line right here. We got our support trend line right here, right? We got our support trend line right here, right? So the market, so what the market will do from the daily, what the market might do, it might come down, right? Before really pushing up, right? It might come down before really pushing up, right? Because what we can see is that we can see the market fighting this level right here. The market is fighting this level right here, right? So let's go to the 4-hour chart real quick just to get like an overview of it. Definitely the greatest. I'm just the greatest at this. So Yes, definitely, right? So it closed above our support trend line, right? It closed above our support trend line. There's no train crash, there's no train smash, right? So we wanna see how the market behaves from this right here, right? So what you want to do is wait for the market to break below, right? Give you like a nice corrective structure, right, on the lower time frame, of course, and look for selling opportunity and enter. That's basically what you want to do. That's basically what you want to do, right? That's basically what you want to do, right? Your first TP will be around this level right here, right? And your second TP, I'd put it around this level right here, right? And then this is where we might be looking for uh buying opportunities. I don't know why am I so bullish on this on this chart, but yeah, right. So this is where you're gonna look for bullish entries. Let's go to hey, USDJPY is looking hella nice. Um the US index is literally also bullish, you know. This is the Euro USD. The Euro USD is very nice. Oh, it's very nice. This is the market that you want to go into. This is the market that you want to go into. So basically what it has been doing, it also has been giving us nice beautiful patterns, right? Impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, correction, impulse correction. What are we looking for right now? We're looking for, definitely, exactly, we're looking for a very huge impulse to this downside. So basically what we'll be looking at for the Euro USD, it's a break below structure and literally to this level right here. How many points are we looking at? Ooh, ooh, we're looking at 2950 points. That's a lot of points. That's literally a lot of points, right? So basically this is what we're looking for. So what you'd want to do is that you'd want to go on the 15-minute chart, right? Do you see what it's doing? You want to go on the 15-minute chart, look for potential entries, right? So this is the market. What the market did is went up, right? Created your left shoulder. This might be a head. Your right shoulder came down. There's a retest, right? So basically this is your entry right here. Hey guys, I just gave you an entry and I'm new to this thing. I'm literally new to this YouTube thing and I literally just gave you an entry. I gave you an entry. I just gave you an entry right here. There's a very beautiful entry on the Euro USD to the downside. There's a very beautiful entry, a scrumptious entry. There's a scrumptious entry right here, right? There's your entry right here. This is your entry right here. There's your entry right here. There's an entry right here. So that's basically what we're looking for. This is literally what we are looking for, man. So yes sir, from your boy ZAYN Capital, the prolific, profitable forex trader, the primordial forex trader. It's gonna be a miles ahead and we will indeed get the intro down. So yeah man, please subscribe if you found what I did very valuable. And yeah man, click that thumbs up and I'll see you on the next weekly update. I think I'm gonna update on Wednesday or Thursday. Wednesday or Thursday. Tell me in the comments what you want. Wednesday or Thursday. I'm gonna upload an update. Let's make it Wednesday. Wednesday definitely uploading an update and I'm gonna start also leaving links to my social media platforms on the description below so that if you need contact or direct contact we can talk from there, you know what I'm saying. So yes sir, I might also create a support group on Telegram Be on the lookout for that. It's ZAYN Capital. You might not know me yet, but definitely you will. You will definitely will. So yeah, man. Peace out.